All right, let's look at how you would create a fence in two-point perspective. So let's say that you wanted there to be a fence along this side of the road. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to decide where the top of the fence is, and you're going to draw a converging line to the correct vanishing point. So we're on the right side of the street, so we're going to do the right vanishing point. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw vertical lines all the way across until I reach the vanishing point. So if you imagine a fence, we know in real life is vertical, so when we draw it here in perspective, it's also going to be vertical. And of course, as we get closer to the vanishing point shortly, we're going to start drawing these lines a little bit closer together so that it looks like it's much further away. Making sure the whole time that the ruler is completely vertical. So there's my fence, and then if I wanted to make it look a little more realistic, maybe I would make, I would erase every other top, because if it's a wooden fence, maybe it would have like one slab of wood and then one blank, and then one slab of wood and one blank, and then what you would do is in each of the spots that are blanks right now, you would draw converging lines going to the vanishing point. So I'll show you what that would look like. So I'm going to line up my ruler to the vanishing point. I'm going to be about halfway up my fence, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a converging line in between each of the posts of my fence. Oh, it looks like I erased the wrong one here. Oh, looks like I continued erasing the wrong ones, but you get the idea. And then what you could do, once you're done doing every other, you could then move down a little bit. So instead of having just like a wire, you have a block essentially, or oh, I did this wrong, but okay, you get the idea. I skipped the wrong ones, but you get the idea that it looks like a line or a bar that's holding up all of the pieces of the fence together. So that would be how you would draw a fence.